So here we have the Ford Ecosport on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer on the right hand side. In the centre at the bottom, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge, as well as the gear the car is in. So it's an automatic and we are in park at the moment, of course. Above that you can see the trip computer, which includes the total miles for the car. They are 4,055. And we have a digital readout for the speedometer displayed there, as you can see. You can change that information for various different things. So we have a trip computer, vehicle settings, our telephone, audio and satellite navigation, and then back around to the beginning again. And the buttons I was using to do that are just here. We have cruise control and speed limiter beneath that. On the right hand side, stereo and phone controls for the car. And then in the centre, the main touchscreen itself. So this is where you pair your phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And follow the instructions on screen from there. We have our satellite navigation. We've done a video that shows how this system works. You can find that on our website and on our YouTube channel as well. And of course our audio menu. So we've got, as you can see, AM, FM and DAB radio, Bluetooth audio so you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls. This car's also got two separate USB inputs. If you plug devices into those, they'll appear up here as further options for you. Working our way down, we then have the climate control for the car. So you can adjust the fan speed and the temperature here, the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperature that you've asked for. Any manual adjustment, be it with the fans or the direction of the air, will override that straight away. We've got a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen. The two USB inputs I mentioned, we can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that orange light shows, and beneath that we can turn off the traction control as well. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox and a 12-volt charging socket. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.